Hi children. In our previous lesson, we learned what an algebraic expression is and some terminology used in this subject. One of them was the meaning of the term, if you remember. In today's lesson, we'll learn what like and unlike terms mean. Let's start our lesson with a simple example. Our famous example is here, 3 times x. It's very simple algebraic expression. And x is variable here. 3 is the coefficient of this variable x. 3x is a unique algebraic expression. And we know its meaning. Let's write it. It means x plus x plus x. Now, let's give a name to x. For example, let x be an apple. Right here. X be an apple. This is the figure of apple. In this case, 3 times x would mean 3 apples. Right here. 3 apples. Likewise, doesn't 5x mean 5 apples? Yes, certainly. By the same manner, 5 times x mean 5 apples. Now, I have 3 apples and you have 5 apples. And let's put these apples together. We got 8 apples in total, right? Now let's express this real-life example mathematically. 3x in my hand and 5x in your hand together, 3x plus 5x is equal to 8 times x. It means I have 3 apples, you have 5 apples, and we know that together we're strong. It means in total we have 8 apples. So 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. This is very simple addition operation between algebraic expressions. Now, if you can make addition operation between two terms, like here, then these two terms are called like terms. So 3x and 5x are like terms. Let's take another real-life example. There are 5 apples on the plate and I ate 2 of them. How many apples are left on the plate? This is the question. Your answer is 3, of course. Now let's write this example again mathematically. When you eat 2 apples, the number of apples will decrease. So write this on the next page. Firstly, I have 5 apples, then I ate 2 of them. The remaining number of apples is 3. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. Very simple algebraic operation here we made. Since we can do this subtraction, 5x and 2x are like terms. Now, this is the first part of our course. Now, let's come to second part. Let's come to second part of our lesson. I told you before, and continue with another example. Again, let's x be an apple. Now here there is another variable here, y. And let y be an orange. X is again apple. There is another variable here, y, and it's orange. Now, suppose that I have 2 apples and you have 3 oranges. What happens in total when we put these fruits together? Your answer? It's very easy, huh? In total, I have 2 apples and 3 oranges. There is no change in the number of apples and oranges. Now let's write this real life example mathematically. Now I have 2x, it means 2 apples and 3y, 3 times y, it means I have 3 oranges. Now 2x, 2 apples I have and 3 oranges you have. What is the result? There is no change in this algebraic expression. Again, I should write the same. I have 2 apples and 3 oranges. I should read this like this. There is no change in the number of apples. Again 2. And no change in the number of oranges. Again 3. But together, of course, there are 5 fruits, you may tell. But you couldn't increase the number of apples and number of oranges. So you cannot make addition operation between x and y because they are unlike terms. They are unlike terms. So after these nice examples, you understood very well the meaning of like and unlike terms in an algebraic expressions. Let's write on the next page 5x and 2x. These are like terms. Two x and 3y are unlike terms. 5x and 2x are like terms. I explained by giving examples why they are like terms. And 2x and 3y are unlike terms. Again, I explained by giving example why they are unlike terms. In an algebraic expression, we may have like and unlike terms together. For example, 3x, 2x, sorry, plus 3y. This is an algebraic expression having two unlike terms, 2x and 3y. And let's write here another term, 5x. I add another one, 5x. To make operations this type of, we can find those with like terms and put them into action. Action means operation. Now here in this algebraic expression, 2x and 5x are like terms. So I may make addition operation between them. Plus 2x plus 5x. 2 apples plus 5 apples. I may think like this. It means 7 apples and plus 3 oranges because it's 3y, not x. So right here at the end, this is the simplification of this algebraic expression. I simplified the left side to right side. This operation is called as simplification. So when someone asks you, simplify 7x minus 3y minus 2x plus 5y. Simplify this algebraic expression. Now, when someone asks you, apply the method. The method is to make this type of operations, we should find those with like terms and put them into operation. Now, the like terms are 7x and minus 2x plus 7x minus 2x. They have opposite signs. So, what is the difference between 7 and 2? 5 and the sign of 5 is the sign of greater one. 7x is the greater, so its sign is plus. So I have 5x here. So I finished the operation between the terms 7x and minus 2x. Let's come to the second one. Second one is 5y and minus 3y. They are also like terms. Plus 5y minus 3y. Plus 5 minus 3. They have the opposite signs. So difference between them is 2, and the sign of 2 is the sign of greater one. The sign of plus 5. So right here plus 2. Of course, don't forget to write y. There is no difference between the operations with plus 5 and minus 3 and with plus 5y and minus 3y. The same operation I should apply. And I know from our previous lesson how can I apply the operation between plus 5 and minus 3. There is no difference, but don't forget to write the variable y. Okay. So I'll solve much more examples than today's. Today's lesson is unfortunately over. Let's continue together again on the next lesson. Hope to see you soon. Bye.